we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place where you can just be alone, be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you rode off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, chasing you. Trying to find a place where we can be alone. All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video on how to style this outfit I'm wearing presently in different ways. I made this outfit about 3 years or 2 years ago, thereabouts. I think 2017 or 16, I cannot remember. And I've been wearing this outfit since then. It's an infinity dress. You can style it different ways. If you want, I should do a tutorial on how I made this dress. Let me know in the comment section. I will gladly do a tutorial on it. Comfortable, it's more sexy. It's sexy, yeah, it's sexy, guys. It's really sexy and it's out there to the world. Fun dress, it's playful dress. Yeah, you can wear it with a top, you can wear it alone without a top, but yeah, I just decided to try it without a top, and this is what I got. And let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join this family. That's the only thing I ask from you. Join this family, and I'll be catching you guys in my next YouTube video. Bye.